Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Maths Worksheet. So this video gives some examples where we can do some conversions involving maths. Now there is a lesson on this topic, and if you're not sure what to do, the next slide has a link. It's very obvious. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. We saw in the lesson that the basic unit is the kilogram. So the basic unit of mass is the kilogram. And there were some conversions. And that's what this lesson here, or this worksheet, is based on, just looking at some conversions. So number one, convert 8,000 grams to kilograms. All we have to do there is find out or know how many grams in a kilogram. The second one is similar, except there'll be a decimal point involved. Number three, convert 2,000 milligrams to grams. So we have to know the conversion, how many milligrams in a gram. Number four is similar, but there will be a decimal point. Number five, convert 4,000 kilograms to tons. So we need to know how many kilograms in a ton. And then number six is similar with the decimal point. Number seven, convert that amount of milligrams, that's quite a large amount here. See there, quite a large amount of milligrams to kilograms. So we have to work out how many milligrams there are in a kilogram. Convert that many grams, quite a large number, to kilograms. Now, here we have some fractions. Now find 4/5 of 7 kilograms in grams. Now the lesson gives you a clue how to do this. So if you check out the lesson, if you're not sure what to do, it does actually explain how to do this. Find 3/4 of 1.8 tons in kilograms. And find 1/5 of 35,000 grams in kilograms. Now, over here, this is very similar, except we're dealing with a decimal. So we have to find 0.3 of 9 kilograms. We need the answer in grams. And we have to find 0.9 of 2.7 tons. And we want the answer in kilograms. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice some conversions to do with mass. And it's very straightforward because basically it involves powers of 10. Because with this particular topic with mass, it's all about powers of 10. That's if you know the conversion, you're really dealing with powers of 10. So if you need any help, the next slide has a link and it will take you to the lesson to explain how to do all the examples.